Hey there, it's Jessie. I'm so happy you're here to watch this video because that means you want to learn some fun tips and tricks about doTERRA essential oils. I've been using essential oils since 2013. I've learned a ton and I love educating people. Fun fact about me, I used to be a high school teacher. I love educating people, and now I get to educate people still, but about essential oils. And it makes my heart so happy. So thank you for finding this video. Look at the other videos I have here. I have a plethora of different topics within the doTERRA essential oil theme. If there are certain topics that you would love to learn more about, but you're like, I don't see a video, shoot me a message. I will add it to my list of ideas because I'm always looking for new video topics that I can do. And every Thursday, I release a new YouTube video. Let's talk about the topic of this video. Okay. So I have people that ask me, myself included, I think about how on earth am I going to store and organize all the different essential oil recipes? And there's so many different, because there's so many different locations and places you can find recipes. And maybe it's on Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest or YouTube or through a book or an app, or maybe someone texts it to you. How many screenshots do you have on your phone of different essential oil recipes? Probably a lot, right? So as I've been thinking about this topic, I've tried so many different essential oil organization methods. And so what I did is I just created my own. And I have a free download. So if you look in the show notes, click on that link, and then you just you fill it out, and then my download will come to your inbox, and we can be email friends that way too. But I want to show you what I created because maybe this is going to be something that's helpful for you. I'm going to have that, see, look right here. So this is the first thing. I call it the recipe vault. And so this is going to be the free download. I have one for recipes, and then I have another one for diffuser recipes specifically. And so as you can see in this first one, it just has a spot for you to write stuff in. Good old handwriting the recipes. I think there's also beauty in handwriting stuff. I think it helps you remember things better. And then down the road, if you want to do something like type them all up, you can type them all up. But this is what I suggest. Print off a couple of these sheets and then take yourself to a coffee shop, get a fun drink, and then just spend some time going through those screenshots, going through maybe scraps of paper. So many Post-it notes I have written down different recipes. But go ahead, just give yourself that time, take yourself on a date, and then just pull from all the different areas that you have saved recipes, on Instagram or Pinterest, and just merge them together. And that's going to be this great resource that you are going to have, but then also that you can pass on and share with other people too. So this first one, you can check the box if it's a spray recipe or if it's a roller recipe or if it's some other type of recipe, like a carpet deodorizer sprinkle one. You can just have fun filling all that in. I also would recommend getting yourself some essential oil stickers. This is a sticker book that I love and I use it a lot. I buy it from Oil Life. I have a little discount code if you look in the show notes for your first purchase at Oil Life. But these are stickers I use not just for my bottles, okay? So I will put them on the bottle lids. I feel like that's how they were originally designed. I also put recipes on spray bottles. And if you look close, let's see if technology will work here. See, I put the number of drops and then I took masking tape and I put it over it so I can just quickly refill it. I'm a very incentive-driven person. So I make a monthly goal sheet where I try and achieve certain things. So I use those stickers for the goal sheets because you're going to find as you make different recipes, there are certain oils you use more frequently than others, like lavender, peppermint, frankincense. Some of those, I use those stickers a lot, but then I'm like, I have so many spikenard stickers. I have so many, thyme stickers. And so that's where using up some of those stickers in a chart like this can be really helpful. You can also buy, I love, again, these ones from Oil Life. You can buy sheet stickers. They're not this spinny. See how these are written spinny style? These are just straight across. But you can use these stickers in a similar way. So thinking about this recipe vault sheet, you could even do something fun, like with the diffuser recipes, you could put some of those sticker labels on your diffuser vault page and then just write the number of drops for the diffuser blend or the roller blend. It just could be a really fun way to brighten it up and add color. I love adding color to things. So print off several of the recipe vault sheets I got this, and I thought this was really cool. This is a fun pink one. This specific one is unavailable on Amazon right now. Sorry. If you fill out the form for the free Recipe Vault download, I've linked up in that download a book or a binder similar to this. Okay, but this is their sheet protectors. See, they're just sheet protectors. So you can slide all of those Recipe Vault sheets in. You can add more as you need. And then you just have all of your recipes right here. And then what if, I suggested taking yourself on a date and just getting everything organized and up to date. And then maybe quarterly or something, you take yourself on a date again and you just go through your phone and look at all those screenshots again or different recipes you saved on Instagram and then update it. And I think it just, along with helping you keep all of your essential oil recipes organized, it will also just give you that time to take yourself on a date. I think there's power in that. So those are my tips for you to organize your recipes. If you have any questions, or maybe you have a fun recipe organization idea that you have found helpful, put it in the comments so other people can learn from not only me, but you as well. And if you have questions, please, of course, reach out. In the show notes, I've got my contact information. If you don't have a specific doTERRA essential oil mentor, I would love to be that person for you. So let's get you set up with your wholesale account. So you get 25% off whenever you order. You get to join our Ohana Tribe team, which is just fun. We have extra perks and stuff in our Ohana Tribe team. But I would love to be your essential oil mentor beyond these YouTube videos. I love that I get to educate the masses through the YouTube videos, but I would love to work on a more one-on-one basis with you as well, if you're not already working with someone else. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that. If this video was helpful for you, please share it with other people. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.